Liverpool boasts more museums and galleries than any other UK city outside of the capital, and attractions can be found all across the city. Every attraction is successful in and of itself, but there seem to be a few big hitters that everyone is interested in. A journey on the ferry across the Mersey is the one thing that a visit to Liverpool just must include. The views of Liverpool's renowned waterfront are among the greatest to be had from the Mersey Ferries River Explorer Tour. You might want to reserve a spot on a special evening cruise that takes place in the summer if you check enough in advance. If you consider yourself a creature of culture, you must schedule time to visit these 7 museums. That's right, 7. Public museums: World Museum, Maritime Museum, Lady Lever Art Gallery, International Slavery Museum, Sudley House, and the Museum of Liverpool, the first national museum in the world devoted to the history of a regional city, are all located in Liverpool. Kids will adore Western Approaches HQ, an incredible underground World War II bunker in Liverpool where they can see where commanders and soldiers worked day and night in the map room, the hub of the Battle of the Atlantic. One of the best historical attractions in the UK is the Royal Albert Dock. A stroll along the quayside will take visitors past quaint candy shops, renowned museums like the Beatles Story and Tate Liverpool. Yes, everything Beatles, as well as a number of bars and restaurants. For more Beatles, visitors can take the Magical Mystery Tour, which departs from the Albert Dock and stops at Strawberry Field, Penny Lane and the Cavern Club. You can even see Lennon and McCartney's childhood homes, thanks to the National Trust. Visit the Magical Beatles Museum on Mayfield Street to see over 300 items of Beatles-related memorabilia for even more of the Fab Four. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. You could head over to the Pierhead and the British Music Experience, which explores popular British music from 1940s to the current day, for more music but less Beatles. We already discussed how prevalent historic structures are in Liverpool. However, Liverpool Cathedral should unquestionably be added to your list. It is truly breathtaking and is the largest cathedral in all of Britain. If you can, sign up for a tower tour and explore the building's uppermost vaults. In the summer, the tower is a great place to watch the sunset. The Blue Coat, a modern arts center housed in a 300-year-old building and providing a schedule of art, literature, music and dance, is conveniently tucked away off Church Street. Outside, there is a wonderful garden and a number of nearby companies. With Mersey Tunnel tours, you can explore the Mersey Tunnels, an engineering marvel located just beneath the Mersey River. There are more than enough parks in Liverpool. In addition to being a busy city, there are a remarkable number of green areas. The crowning achievement of one of the city's most cherished parks is Sefton Park Palm House. Port Sunlight Village, a lovely chocolate box village in Wirral across the sea, was created in the 19th century exclusively for the employees of the Sunlight soap business. Experience what it was like to live and work in the village by entering Port Sunlight Museum. After all that said, we can summarize that Liverpool is a heaven on earth.